Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Jeffrey Strogan in this video, my snack reviews, Feastables, Mr. Beast, Oatmeal, Raisin cookies. Jeffrey asked me to react to this video, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Hello everyone, here again. I'm going to be doing another reaction again. This time I'm going to be doing another brand new snack review. In this snack review, but before I even start on this, what I'm going to show you, I want to give a disclaimer before I even start. If you do not like the content I make, or reaction videos, or any of the other stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, then don't watch, go somewhere else. Because the only thing you're doing is giving me a view, and that's the damn truth, Ron. That's the damn truth, and nothing but the truth. So yeah, it's not about ado. Let's get to this snack review right now. So there you are. I got my hands on. Yeah, that's right. I got the Feastables Mr. Beast cookies, which is, and this flavor is called Oatmeal Raisin. So yeah, I am going to be doing my review on this now. So yeah, and this is like plant-based, gluten-free, etc. whatever. But I'm still doing, I just wanted to getting my hands on, I just wanted to be doing my review on these. So yeah, so no more ready. Do it. Open. It's not bad. Very tasty. Not bad. It's good. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad on cookies. It's not bad here. Man, I think it might be. It's really is good. That's why it kind of might be a bit of a addicting. So yeah. So let me get my last piece of it. I'll get my final thoughts on it. So why get my rating on this? On the Mr. Beast Oatmeal Raisin cookies, I give them a 10 out of 10.
Wow.
It's really good. like definitely get that's definitely something to snack on. Like really good.
I need a minute. Hold on, everyone. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
Big on it. It really is. So yeah. Really something that you can actually snack on. So guys, if any of you guys want to get your hands on this, or somebody that want to be doing their own review on this, go to your local store and get this yourself. I know there's probably other flavors on top, but get my hands on the other flavors. I'll definitely do a review on those also. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's the end of this snack review, and I hope you guys like this snack review, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys do like it. If you don't, then I don't share, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And share my videos, reaction videos, and other videos that you make channel to your friends, family, also if you want to join, because I am making it. So yeah, and road to 3K subscribers, hope you can hit, and see y'all for more banger content and more banger reactions, or more banger content. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Jeffrey Torrance signing out, and peace out, and peace out, everyone.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And let me take care of this notification. I'll be right back, everybody. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. Sorry about my words running together. Sorry about that, everybody. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or to Jeffrey Strojan's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 8,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. On both my main channel and my second channel. And give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 8,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 3,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 2 playlists that are on my main channel and give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really definitely appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really definitely appreciate that too. And I know a notification has popped up. This video is almost over anyway, so I'll take care of it afterwards. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.